Hi, I'm Stephen Gafanti, MD.
And I'm Maureen Gufanti. We're the creators of Rocket Phonics, the multisensory, game-based, accelerated, non-consumable reading program that will take your child to 5th grade reading in 2 years or less. What's in your Rocket Phonics kit? 2 big readers full of games, jokes, stories, and activities from preschool to 6th grade level with very thorough phonics. From the simplest sounds and patterns to, by the end of the program, your child learns about accented and unaccented syllables and how they affect how words are pronounced, and Greek and Latin roots and how they affect how words are pronounced. You'll also get 2 sets of colorful, sturdy play and read cards with real pictures showing all the sounds of English. Plus, all you need to play a big variety of games to learn the sounds. Your child will enjoy games like bingo, go fish, and active games like play and read baseball. Your kit also includes 7 common word lists of 100 or more words each to check your child's progress. Also, additional bingo sheets so your kids can play together or you and your child can play. Plus, a rocket-shaped peeker. A child can be overwhelmed by words on a page. So by holding the peeker to the page, your child can look through the window and focus on one word at a time. For a kinesthetic learner or a dyslexic, touching the peeker to the page to read the word connects his brain to what he's learning so he reads better and learns better. Everything you need is in your kit. You get a packet of bingo chips to play the games, 2 treasure hunts with prizes. They're easy for beginning readers. 1 rhyming clue of 2 or 3 sentences leads to the next hidden clue. And on one side they're written with helpers, and on the other side without helpers. Your child will want to play these over and over again, and they're perfect for kids of all ages. In fact, they're so popular that our bonuses include 6 additional treasure hunts. Your Rocket Phonics kit includes free bonus gifts worth over $100. At the back of volumes 1 and 2, you have a helpful suggestion list of when and how to use the bonuses. Your bonuses include big letter sheets and preschool big movement activities like Whack the Sound and Letter Leap, multisensory, imaginative, big movement games that make learning letter shapes and sounds a breeze. You'll also get the Word Find Treasure Hunt and phrase games. These are treasure hunts with words. You put a bingo chip on your couch and give your child the word couch to read, written with helpers and without. Off your child runs to find the chip. Your child progresses to phrases like under the telephone. So perfect for beginning readers and active kids. You'll also get 28 weekly emailed bonuses. These are additional reading practice for grades pre-K through 7, both fiction and nonfiction, including some poetry. Our super spelling strategy. This is a multisensory, 6-step method of learning spelling words developed by spelling specialists, and it's nearly foolproof. You get beginning writers lessons, perfect for grades K through 1, and additional games, treasure hunts, jokes and riddles, and more. With Rocket Phonics, your child can go from non-reader to 5th grade in 2 years or less. Order your kit now so your child can begin to experience his miracle.